So we're at Te Henga, otherwise known as Bethells. We got here, and because of all the rain, the bridge has washed away. Check it out. There's no bridge. Had to do a bit of a ninja across the river, just over here. This wee spot here, and Indy's a bit naked over there. So we'll turn the camera the other way. Oh, she's got pants on now. Okay. So we're running totally late now, but that's alright. We're going to have fun anyway. Hopefully there's no rain, otherwise we're not going to be able to cross the river to get back. And there's no cell phone service here either. Okay everyone, let's go. Going on, but we've got some kind of festive music going on off to the left down here. So we're kind of in the middle of nature, having a good old bushwalk. We've also got some cool festive music going on in the background. Loving it. I forgot to mention that when we crossed the river, these ladies took their pants off.
Got family here.
So they wouldn't be cold on the walk up. I think some of us still got our dacks wet anyway, so... Oh, this is beautiful, eh guys? Yes. Worth crossing the river? It gets better. Been out to Bethells a few times in the past year, but I haven't been down to, I think this is O'Neill's Bay. It is just one of the reasons why I just love New Zealand. It doesn't get